Hello students, this is Dr. Henry and I'm your instructor for OAD 125 Word Processing. This video is the quick tips for Word Module 9 and I want to applaud you for making it this far in our curriculum. On the left, as you can see, I have the instruction file for the Word Module 9 project, and on the right, I have the training tutorial open for Word Module 9, and I'm going to go to the menu button and expand the task list. In Word Module 9, you're going to be learning additional Word features, but these will be tailored to creating a long document such as a report or an analysis paper, a research paper, or even a book. Some documents that use these features can have hundreds of pages. So how to effectively manage that to make it easy for your readers to find and locate information. So a lot of the things that you learn in this particular module will be catered towards that. So creating things like a table of contents, an index, a table of figures, section breaks, page numbers, which I think you learned in an earlier module, how to do a cross-reference. All of these things will help you as the writer manage a long document, and it'll also help your readers to find and locate information inside of your document. So as you go through your training tutorials, again, always pay very close attention to the wording and the steps that are required for you to complete those tasks. You know, in any of our training tutorials, it has the 3 steps, which are observe, practice, and apply. In the observe, the lady shows you how to do it. In the practice, you do it with her. And then in the apply, you do it on your own. Of course, this is just review. So those are the kind of things you want to pay attention to, the wording, because in each project step, there will be embedded keywords that match the training tutorial tasks to help you know what is the instructions requiring you to do for that particular step. And of course, this is just a reminder or a review. At the end of each instruction file, it does have a final figure that shows you what your completed work should look like, and it goes through each of the pages. Now, again, you don't want to use this to complete the project. You want to use the project steps so that you get all of your SAM points. But once you finish the last step, you can always go to the final figure to make sure that what you have looks like what the SAM system will be expecting. Also, as always, you can reach out to me with questions, concerns, and comments via my email address, which is shenry, SHENRY, @lawsonstate.edu. Thanks for watching.